That's scary right there.
What's
Oh
up,
no.
It's Kermit!
I'm gonna eat you, you motherfucker.
I'm Del from the band Pullback.
I'm Jake the Snake. I was drummer for Detroit punk rocker Tommy Trash 5 years.
And he's a Polak.
I'm Brown.
You know who Kermit the Frog is, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so this is a site called Omegal.
What's it called? Omegal? Oh,
Yeah.
I see it, yeah.
It's a video chat app, but it just throws you with a random person.
Okay.
So you're just meeting random people, and then you get to end the call, and then it puts you with another random person.
No, what did you do the other one?
Oh, that's Bobby. Fuck that guy.
Bobby!
Fuck that guy.
She crying?
What did you do to Miss
Is it-
Piggy?
Oh, she's dead
like-
as hell.
Fucking around.
Why?
He killed Miss Piggy?
Because I'm all about
No.
ruining
They
the
had
childhood.
duct tape on their mouth.
Oh,
That was my mother!
I hope this will make you feel better.
Bet it will.
My bad,
It
Shuddy.
doesn't!
My bad, Shuddy.
It doesn't!
Helicopter, helicopter. Bam. Ew.
What?
Why'd you do that?
I'm just eating.
Well, that's nasty. I don't see all that. That's like me doing this. Uh-huh.
Yeah,
You know?
that
It's
was
just
the thing
not
to do.
cool.
That was the thing to do years ago. People would say, you know, you start eating, put a bunch of shit in your mouth. You ask somebody, "You like seafood?" And they'll go, "Yeah," and you go,
See? Yeah.
Kermit! No!
Oh.
Okay, anyways, besides that, why is Miss Piggy there?
Helicopter,
And who is that?
helicopter. What was that,
You have-
man? I
I
didn't even
don't-
do nothing. Oh, hey.
Hey, why does she have tape on her mouth?
Oh, I don't know. I just got here. Oh, wait, one second.
Might be that guy.
Yeah.
What did he say again?
Like, how many genders are there? I don't know. I just got here.
Oh, that was funny as fuck.
Are you recording me? Don't show up to the cops.
So you did it!
No. No.
You did it!
It's just bad to. Oh, fuck.
You
Oh.
did it!
Oh, oh
Kermit the Frog!
Kermit.
Sup, motherfucker?
Oh my goodness, it's Kermit. I'm a big fan.
Are you?
Yes, sir. I love you.
I've seen a lot of big fans.
What's going on? Why you hanging that person right there?
Oh, that's Bobby.
What the hell Bobby do?
He's my op.
Oh, he's your op? Yeah, I could
Yeah.
tell. Damn.
That's what I do to my ops.
What about Miss Piggy?
That's not Miss Piggy.
Oh, who
That's
is that?
That's Mr. Pig guy.
Mr. Pig Guy.
Yeah.
Yo, I ain't
He
gonna lie.
identifies as Mr.
Would you
Pig.
let me smell Mr. Pig Guy's booty hole? Yes or no?
What if you smelt this?
Oh, hell no, nigga. Is that your penis now?
No, it's my leg. Don't worry. Don't worry.
You just showed me your goddamn penis.
No. Calm down. It was my leg. Howdy doody. Oh, one
Oh my
second.
god,
My glasses.
Kermit?
No. It's not me.
Oh.
Nope.
Is that Constantine?
Nope.
I am Kermit the
My name's
Frog.
John.
Hi, John.
Yep, John it. That's it.
Hi, Johnny.
Yep.
Who's that over there?
Oh, I don't know. She just was here. Yeah.
Who's that up there?
Oh, that's Bobby. I just met this guy.
I think that's unattractive as fuck. Them women with those fucking bull rings in their nose, man. That's just unattractive as fuck, man.
Is he okay?
Did you think hooves are unattractive too?
Think what?
Hooves are unattractive.
Yeah.
She pulled up her hands, it was hooves. Turns around to go walk to the bathroom, she has a saddle.
Yeah.
No,
You
he's just
need a
hanging.
bit in their mouth. You know?
Yeah.
Hey, what's so funny?
Yours? Nothing.
All right. Hey, can I tell you a joke?
Yes.
All right, let me think. Damn.
Take your time.
I don't know a joke. Here's this.
Oh my god.
My bad, Sean. Oh, shit, my glasses! Can't take this shit anymore.
Oh my. Why?
What?
Oh my
What?
god, what did Miss Piggy do? She's been a bad girl?
Oh, you're talking about not my my wife. My hostage wife. Same
Your
thing.
wife looks
Happy.
Awfully not free right now.
She's happy. She's smiling.
Yes, I see.
Yeah. Yeah.
She's happy.
Yeah. Say you're okay. Tell her.
Oh yeah, I heard that. She
Yeah,
said she was
see,
okay. She said she
yeah.
was okay.
Yeah. Right?
Yes.
Right, Bobby? He's alive too.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, I saw that movement.
Yeah,
I saw that movement.
What, Pinky?
Bow. Howdy doody.
What happened?
Staring contest, go.
I'm gonna start crying, don't do this to me.
Gotta put it in his mouth.
I mean, hear me
That's really
out.
gross him out.
Speed running this shit, and I can't even do anything about it, and I just ah!
You doing okay, Kermit?
No. I should have ran for president.
Man.
Kermit 2024. Make childhoods great again. Oh yeah.
How are you?
Oh, I'm great.
Yo,
So
what the hell is going on?
Wasn't that your girlfriend?
Oh, you're talking about the big bitch in the corner?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's such an insane thing to say. What the hell?
Wait, so who's the one at the top?
That's Bobby. He's
What
my
they
op.
He look like you though.
He's my op.
So like, what happened with those two?
Well, you know,
Eating one like the other one like was like what's the word with them?
she cheated on me with him.
Ooh.
Yeah.
And are they both alive? I killed them both.
Oh, they're dead.
Oh shit!
Yeah.
Why'd you draw a smiley face on her mouth?
To show that she's alive, but she's not.
Oh fuck!
Turn up like hydro cover or something?
Oh, sure. Huh! Oh, holy shit. Was that good?
I guess.
Oh shit, she's moving. Stay down! Stay down! Stay down! You seem to have caught me at a bad time.
Yeah, I'm gonna
Um,
report this.
Oh shit.
Yeah,
Damn it!
yeah, this is not right.
Helicopter, helicopter. Bow.
What the hell?
Duty.
What happened?
Where?
Miss Piggy.
Got a Charlie the Tuna hat on.
Oh, what?
Oh, she's
Charlie,
fine.
you ever see the advertisement for there was the guy, the tuna company had Starkist, I think it was. They had a tuna, and he used to have like a fisherman's rain hat on. They called him Charlie the Tuna. You never seen those commercials? She's got one of those fisherman Charlie the Tuna hats on.
What happened to her? What'd she do?
Tell her you're fine.
Well, that's a hood, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh,
She-
fuck.
she's
no
gonna
wonder
tell
I
you-
was like, what the
no
fuck
wonder
are you
you looked at
talking
me
about?
weird.
Over here.
I didn't see it connected.
That's
All I
good.
seen was that.
That's
I
good.
just seen the upper
Yeah.
part of it.
She's fine.
That's good.
Yeah.
So
Showing a little
so what
cleavage, too.
happened to make her?
Oh, I don't know. She did that herself.
Did she?
Yeah, I'm so silly. I did that myself over here. See? Yeah.
Who's that above you?
Oh, that's Bobby.
Who's Bobby?
I don't know.
Oh,
He's just hanging. Get it? Because he's dead. My bad, Shoddy. You know what else is hanging?
I'm just waiting for him
What?
to say, I can do something you can't do, and take that cucumber and stick it in his mouth, you know?
You know what else is hanging?
What?
My BGC. Bow.
Oh.
Oh, cool glasses.
What the fuck?
Your glasses are like invisible windows. Oh. Ew, why's your tongue green?
Cause I ate your. It's November.
Hey, you skipped me. Ew.
Sucking his dick.
You
Yeah.
said
Yeah,
you ate that. It
for
was
a reason.
nasty, and I even get to do this.
That's why your tongue's green.
Yeah, motherfucker. Shit ain't sweet now, is it? Bow.
Whoa, what is going on here?
Another
Oh, cool
nose
hat.
ringer.
Thank you.
The hat's like a gangster.
Must
You know?
have the Hitler
Aw.
mustache.
I didn't see a gangster hat.
It feels like I have a big squirrel on my head.
What in the
Very
world?
warm. What happened to Miss Piggy?
Oh, she's fine. She's fine. Tell her you're fine. I'm fine over here. See?
Is that you in the background too? Who the fuck is that green
Oh,
guy?
that's Bobby.
What happened to Bobby?
Oh, he's just hanging.
What?
Was that a good one?
Where's my phone? I need to get a picture of you. You're
No,
so
don't
funny.
take a picture.
Okay.
The cops can't know about my hostages. What was that?
That wasn't meant to be that loud.
What was that? All right, you asked for it. Boy, yo, 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 yo. Howdy doody.
What did you do?
Oh, you can see her? Oh, man. Scoot back. Except for the... Oh, shit. Can you see?
Yes.
Oh.
I think
She's
it's too
fine.
late.
She's fine. Tell her you're fine, motherfucker. Yeah, she's gonna I'm fine. The duct tape, I can just talk through the duct tape. I'm fine. Yeah, see, she's fine.
Is she breathing?
Yeah, I'm breathing over here. She's fine.
I think your clone is like hung upside down.
No, that's Bobby.
Oh. What's going on with Bobby?
I don't know. He's been hanging there a while. Bobby, are you alive?
What?
I don't think he's alive.
Why do you have a cucumber?
Oh, that's my leg.
What?
Yeah, that's my leg.
What do you mean it's your leg?
My leg.
Your leg. Oh.
Yeah. I
Your
call
leg.
it the BGC. The big green cucumber. Boom. Boom. Howdy doody.
Hey, man.
Sup, dude?
Is Miss Piggy okay, dude?
Oh, yeah, she's fine. Look at her. She's so happy.
I think that's like tape, though.
No. She's
Oh.
fine. You say a word, I'll kill you. She's fine.
Oh.
Yeah. Right,
Can
Bobby?
she say hi or?
Oh, yeah, she can. Say hi. Hi, my name's Miss Piggy. See? Yeah.
Hi, Miss Piggy. Who's the guy in the background?
Oh, that's Bobby.
Is Bobby okay?
Yeah, Bobby's fine.
Are you sure?
Tell her,
don't look
Bobby.
like it.
Oh, yeah, I'm fine. See?
He has like the word help on his mouth.
Oh, no, he doesn't.
Why does it say help?
Well, I can't read.
Hmm.
Insert Halo music.
Oh my god!
Oh, fuck, that Whoever thought of that was fucking genius, man.
So, no, they have a whole channel of doing this.
Oh, really?
I just want to watch a couple more because I love these so much. Yeah, this is their whole channel.
Is this all Kermit?
Yeah. On Omegal.
Bow. Oh my gosh. Howdy doody.
Hi.
You look scared.
Oh my
I've
gosh.
seen it on TikTok.
Nuh-uh.
Yaha.
I've seen
Boo!
Spanish. And
I scared you.
Woo! You scared me.
Yeah, they usually get scared after this.
Is that Kermit?
Yeah, howdy doody.
Howdy doody.
What? What's so funny?
Nothing.
You think I'm a
Is that
joke?
Marilyn Monroe? Is that
Yeah, it's
Marilyn
my
Monroe?
shotty.
That's your shawty?
Yeah,
Y'all dated?
yeah, we still do.
I thought she died.
How dare you? Why would you bring that up? Now I'm gonna ruin your childhood. Yeah,
Kermit, put that back.
not my bad, shotty. Helicopter.
Oh my god.
Don't laugh at me.
I'm still waiting for him to stick it in his mouth.
Hey,
You
Muppet.
think I'm a joke?
Uh-huh.
I'll tell you a joke.
Okay, tell me a joke.
Knock.
Who's
Not
She needs another hit off her vape.
Bang.
Oh, man.
Howdy doody, motherfucker.
You gotta beat her with that cucumber.
Zooey mama.
Kazoo.
Kazoo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Kazoo.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Wow.
Helicopter. Bam. What are you looking at?
you?
Looking all confused. Like
No,
you
I'm
never
looking
seen a
at the
frog
hot
before?
woman in the back. I'm looking at the hot woman in the back. Marilyn Monroe.
Yeah, that's me, hot guy in the back.
I said hot girl.
Fuck. I guess I could
Marilyn
chop this
Monroe
off.
is so hot. Oh my god.
So I shouldn't chop it off?
No.
Helicopter.
Puta mamá, huevo pisado.
What?
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 What'd you call me?
I'm gonna cook you up and eat you.
And I'll slide on your Sesame Street.
You scare me, Kermit.
Boo!
Wait.
Let me try again. Boo!
Oh, look at that eye, man. That's scary right there. Oh, no.
It's Kermit!
I'm gonna eat you, you motherfucker.
Nom.
Fucking Jabba.
Oh. Gorlock's little sister.
Yeah. Shorelock the Destroyer.
Facts. You're fired.
I know I'm fine.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Yeah!
Fire.
You wanna learn some motherfucking karate?
Yeah, let's see. Wait, can I see your karate first though?
Sure. Let me show
Okay,
you.
let's see.
I call this one the helicopter. First, you get your hands away, because you'll chop them off. And then, step 2, helicopter.
Bro, that's crazy.
My bad, Shotty.
I'm getting it down with a ghost.
Ooh, I'm a ghost.
Kermit, what are you doing here?
I'm being a ghost, the ghost of your childhood.
The
Oh,
Oh my god.
my bad, Shotty. Oh.
Maybe I'll get me one of them
Helicopter.
too.
Recording
My aura. What the fuck?
Howdy doody.
Howdy doody. Wait, can you dap me up?
Sure.
Yeah.
Howdy doody.
Hi.
Hi.
Wait, you're really good at that.
Why, thank you.
What's up, Kermit? How's your day been?
You know,
my
something
day's
else I'm
pretty
good
good.
at.
You know? Till I came on here.
Why?
Because I'm just trying to ruin some childhoods.
Why?
And I can't find nobody. Oh. Oh.
I don't know why girls always do that.
What?
You know, they hear something they don't like. You do something they don't like. They keep it like
It's
that all
to
the,
exaggerate how
keep it like that all the fucking time.
My bad, Shotty. Helicopter, helicopter. Bam.
Oh my god.
What happened? You look like you've seen a ghost. Oh. Are you recording me?
Yes.
No.
Make sure to get my good
Yeah,
side.
no.
This one right here. Oh yeah, and most importantly, don't forget your childhood. Bam.
It's you again.
Hello, it's me.
Hi.
What you got there?
I got an apple.
Oh wow, you know what they say? An apple a day ruins your childhood every day.
Opening her mouth, boy. I wish I could have that.
Helicopter, helicopter. Hey, you
Yeah.
skipped me.
Kermit.
Yeah? What the dude? Get that off my screen. Really? It's like me doing this. My bad, Shotty. Helicopter, helicopter.
Yeah. They all do that.
Yeah, I'm telling you. I've noticed that.
She hasn't even
Howdy
seen it
doody.
yet.
I told you, girls. I mean, since I've been a kid, girls have done that. And I'm an old fucker right now, man. And girls still do that.
Oh, I thought you meant every time you take your dick out, they just open their mouth.
I wish.
That's what I thought we were talking about.
We were, I think. I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about right now. I'm so
You're
confused.
red.
It's pink, actually.
Because I don't like Elmo.
It's pink. You're
Thank
good.
you. Because Elmo's my op.
I know he's your op.
Yeah, so is Big Bird. Big
You're
Bird
the
K.
best anyways. You're him.
Yeah, I'm going to ruin his childhood.
Another one.
Bow.
Oh, Jesus.
Why you look so shocked?
I can take 4 of those.
Kermit.
Howdy doody.
Hi, Kermit.
Hi.
How are you?
Oh, I'm great. You know, just doing the usual.
Oh, yes.
Yeah. Just
I like your Marilyn
yeah.
Monroe.
Oh, me too. It's my shotty.
Yeah.
She just sits there and watches.
Yeah.
Watches me ruin childhoods. My bad, shotties. Helicopter, helicopter. Bow.
Yo,
I
Kermit.
like your tapestry. So cool.
Thanks, Kermit.
Looks like a bunch of eyeballs.
Yep.
And they get to watch. Watch
Yeah,
me
but-
ruin your childhood.
What? That's crazy.
My bad, shotty. Bow.
Kermit.
Howdy doody.
Hello, how are you?
Oh, I'm swell. You know?
What are you doing?
Oh, the usual.
What's
I'm
the
like a
usual?
pervert, you know.
Oh, well, since you asked, you know, I guess I'll ruin your childhood. My bad, shotty.
Oh, she didn't put her hand over her mouth.
Howdy doody.
Hey,
over there.
are you filming?
No. I don't do those things. You know, I'm a civilian. Yeah.
Then what do you do? Kermit,
I
what
can
you
levitate.
doing? Huh?
I can levitate.
Do it.
Huh, huh. Insert Halo music. Helicopter, helicopter.
Kermit, oh my god.
You're so close, dude. You're scaring me.
Dude, I see you on TikTok.
Two girls
So
haven't
close,
put their hand
dude.
over their mouth.
Dude, wait, I see you on
Wait, so
TikTok.
close, dude.
I
I
don't
don't
know
want
why
to
I'm
kiss,
close.
dude. I don't want to kiss.
I don't
Okay?
want to kiss either. I just got sexually today.
Oh,
Yeah.
and it's about to happen again. Oh, yeah. Howdy doody. Why are you laughing at me?
Damn.
I'm sorry. I'm
You
sorry.
think I look funny?
No, you're gorgeous.
No, I'm not. I'm a frog.
Scary voice,
I
dude.
know.
You're polkindutans.
What the hell is that?
It means beautiful.
Oh, why, thank you.
Of course.
That's not the only thing about me that's beautiful.
Everything about you is beautiful.
Including this?